something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a great week. So first I'm starting with the Wetnwild primer, and I'm putting this all over my face, and then I'm taking the Thin Lizzy Complexion liquid foundation kit, and I'm using the sponge, and this is in the shade Pacific Sun, and I put this all over my face, and luckily that this foundation suited me, and I really liked the coverage. And it was probably like a medium coverage, and yeah, it suited my fake tan perfectly. By the way, this is like a life of the party makeup tutorial, so I hope you guys do enjoy this. This is quite smoky and dramatic, and I hope you guys like it. So now I'm taking the Thin Lizzy concealer in Miss Von Dita, and this is the perfect light shade to highlight and brighten under my eyes, and their concealers are really good. It's full coverage. I used to wear these concealers back in the day, and they like literally cover everything, and apparently they're known to cover tattoos as well. So if you have dark circles like me, then this is the perfect thing. I'm just blending it out with that sponge that comes in the kit, and by the way, the kit retails for $60, and that includes a sponge, the foundation, and the brush. Now I'm using the Thin Lizzy Mineral Foundation, and it comes with this brush as well, and this is in the shade Pacific Sun, and I'm just putting this all over my face to set it. By the way, I quite like this spotlight eye makeup tutorial that I'm achieving. I think it's like my new favourite makeup technique instead of a cut crease. I used to do cut creases all the time. As you can see here, I'm really impressed with the face and the foundation. I think it looks so flawless. So now I'm taking the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm putting this all around my forehead and my cheekbones just to really bronze up my skin and to make my cheekbones stand out, to shape my face. And I'm also contouring my nose to make it a little bit slimmer in the front. I mean, I don't need to do this, but I do kind of have like a bulbous nose at the end. Now I'm taking the Jouer Cosmetics blush kit, and I love this so much. It's probably my favorite one. And I'm taking the dark blush shade. And I'm also taking the Jouer Cosmetics highlighter in Citron. By the way, you can get Jouer Cosmetics from makeup.co.nz. I think it's like one of my new favorite brands now. Like, look at this highlighter. Oh my gosh, like so pigmented. Their products are so amazing, top quality. I'll leave makeup.co.nz's link below if you guys need. But yeah, I've been using this blush kit and this highlighter constantly, so I love them. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in Taupe, and I'm filling in my eyebrows, and I'm using the Anastasia brow brush in number 14. This is the perfect little brush, and it's also got a spoolie at the end. Gosh, I haven't used this Dipbrow pomade in so long. I realized like how much I love it. My eyebrows do go a little bit darker than I'd like, but I still really like the pigmentation, and I like how precise you can make your brows with this. Now I'm taking that concealer on a small brush, and I'm just putting this underneath the brows, and this will just tidy them up and make them look more defined. Now I'm taking the Ardell Brow Building Fibre Gel in Taupe, and this is my favourite brow gel. I use it all the time for work when I'm just like natural and I just want my brows to be a bit more precise and filled in. Now I'm using the Morphe 350 Original palette and these brown and orange shades, and I'm blending this in the crease. This is like one of my favorite palettes as well, and you can also get this from makeup.co.nz, all Morphe products. Like, such high quality, you get so many shadows, and yeah, the pigmentation is great. So now I'm taking this darker colour and I'm blending that in the crease as well. I'm just kind of building up the colour and the intensity. Now I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Primal Colours in Hot Black and I'm putting this on the outer corner. By the way, I'm using all Sigma Beauty brushes and you can use the code Alyshia10 for 10% off Sigma. So I'll leave my link and my code down below if you want to use it. Sigma is like my favourite brush brand, such good quality, they don't shed and easy to clean. So yeah, I put the black on the outer corner, kind of blend it in. This brush is perfect for packing on the colour and blending in at the same time. Sigma has like such a big range of brushes and that's why I love them, and they also sell brush cleaning accessories as well as makeup. So I'm putting that on the inner and outer corner and also underneath on the inner and outer corner, and then I'm blending this in with a blending brush. You don't want any patches or harsh lines. And then I tidy up the edge with a bit of concealer on that same brush we used for the brows. Now I'm taking the orange shade again from the Morphe palette and I'm just packing this on in the center just to make it easier to put on this beautiful copper shade on top. So this is such a nice copper shade and I think this really makes blue eyes pop. So I pack it on in the center of the lid as best as I can and I kind of just blend it from side to side. You don't want to bring this up past your crease because then it's just going to look funny. So you want to keep this below the crease and just go back and forth with your brush and kind of blend it into the black on the side. Then you also want to take this underneath in the center of your eyes. Now I'm taking this like champagne white shade and I put a little bit in the center just to really make that spotlight effect, and it just makes it look like the eyes are hit by the light. And then I tidy up the outer corners with black again just to make sure there's no copper there or any sparkles. And then I take this matte white shade and I put this underneath the brow bone. Now I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean and I'm putting this on the waterline and also up on the tight line. You can use a smaller eye pencil for this if you don't like products touching your eyes, but I'm pretty good with that. I could literally just stab anything in my eye and I don't feel it at all. Probably why I'm turning blind. So now I'm taking the Revlon Color Stay Exactify Liquid Liner, and this actually has like a wheel at the end, which is like the first of its kind. It just helps to make the line really precise and it just makes it go on really pigmented and you don't have to keep dipping it in. I found that this was really easy to use, so go Revlon with your great products. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal False Lash Superstar X Fibre Mascara. This is like my favourite mascara. I use it all the time for work and this just seems to make my lashes really long and separated, and my lashes seem to have grown longer. I don't know if it is because of this mascara. I don't actually use the fibers, I just use side number 1, which is the mascara. Now I'm using the Maybelline Master Fix Baking Highlighting Powder and I'm just putting that under my eyes and on my cheekbones, and while that sets I'm putting on the Social Eyes Lashes in Fleek, and these just make your eyes look really dramatic and really elongated and like sexy and sultry, so I'm putting them on. And then I rub away the baking powder from the cheekbones and also under my eyes, and this just helps to really like brighten up the face. Now I'm taking the Dose of Colours liquid lipstick in Cork, and this is literally my go-to liquid lipstick. I'm always using this to create like the dark to nude ombre effect. If you guys are wondering all the time on my Instagram what lip products I'm wearing, it's this. And now I'm taking the Dose of Colours liquid lipstick in Sand and I put that in the centre and just blend it in with the wand, and this is my favourite ombre lip. Then I also take the NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cairo, and I also put this in the center. It just lightens it up a little bit more and adds a little bit of moisture, and it is really long wearing. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really like the way it turned out. If you want to see more videos like this, then definitely let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Help me get to 40,000 subscribers. We are nearly there, and I will see you guys in my next week's video. Bye!